Alright guys, next is this 2020 Grand Caravan. These things are super easy, so we'll show you how quick we can get this one done.
Real-time video. No alarm? It's got an alarm.
There we go. This one we're going to screen record for you guys too. We're going to have to go around. Alright, Fraser has this thing picked before we even got the scantle hooked up. It's pretty normal on these. Longest part of these is getting the scantle hooked up. So I'm gonna lift a couple of seconds. Alright, just waiting for the VCI to connect. There we go. We have the Dodge Grand Caravan, so we select Chrysler there. That's the closest thing. Make sure we have Wi-Fi. Just waiting for the Wi-Fi to connect there. It's connected. Like I said, the longest is selecting the vehicle in here. Right, password is 5745. Control unit, mobilizer. When it gives you two different CAN versions, you just kind of go into it and see if you can communicate. If not, then you have to go back out and just choose the other one. Looks like this one was the right one. We're erasing all the keys. Keys are erased. Then we go with the key learning. We want to learn it, yes. Good. Key learning successful. Do we want to learn another one? No. There we go. Screen recording is 2 minutes. So this whole job is probably somewhere around 4 or 5 minutes. Fraser just cut the key. Emergency key is cut. We're under 5 minutes for an all keys lost on a Grand Caravan.
That's fast flipping, baby.
That's I mean, that's with 2 people, but even with 1 person, it took Fraser a total of maybe 2 minutes to pick it and have it cut. So we'd be at like 6 or 7 minutes for 1 person to have this job done from the moment of rolling up. So yeah, these are really nice, profitable, easy cars to do, and we're good to go on this one.